How to get verified on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open up Instagram app on your device. Sign into your account by entering your credentials. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on Account Center. Here you want to scroll down and find the option of Meta Verified or Show that your profile is verified option. Tap on that. Now, Meta Verified will check your eligibility. If you are eligible, you want to select your Instagram account, then tap on the subscribe option. Now, you will have to complete the identity verification and then complete your payment. To subscribe to Meta Verified, you need to meet the following requirements. You have to be at least 18 years old. You have to be located in a country where Meta Verified is available. You need to have an eligible Instagram or Facebook account. You also need a valid photo ID. You should not exceed the number of times that you can make changes to your account within a certain time period prior to applying for verification, and you need to accept to the terms of service. Once you meet all of these eligibility, you will be able to get verified on Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.